Hey guys, my name is Zach with Thor Motor Coach. Today we're going to take a look at the Sanctuary 24A model year 2025 on the all-wheel drive Mercedes chassis. Let's take a look. Some features I'd like to point out is that you have the pull-out bench sofa over here. When made out to a bed, it's 40 by 61. You also have 2 seat belts with the 2 up front, and there's 2 more in the rear. 6 total seat belts inside this coach, which is major when it comes to a van and traveling with family and friends. Some more features I'd like to point out. This feature right here is your master volt panel. This will point out your lithium system, what your state of charge is, and everything in terms of your charging components. More 110 outlets and your battery disconnect. Some features to point out with the pull-out bench sofa is the Technoform cabinetry right over here. Gives us the high gloss look. On the inside here too, you've got more 110 hookups. You've got your cable TV hookup, HDMI hookup. A really cool feature that we implemented for model year 25 is our much more user-friendly Encompass shades. Moving towards the entry door again, we've got our solid surface countertops on our coach. One thing that we still implement is the induction cooktops, so you have more of a space when doing anything inside. Also brand new for model year 2025 is our FireFly system. It does all your electrical components for lights, check your climate, turn on and off your AC. And then up front here is the interface screen for the Aqua Hot system that does your hot water and your heat and runs off the main diesel tank. To point out some features in the cab of our chassis, we've got our driver and passenger seat that are both swivel. We also have our flip down TV. Now transitioning over to the kitchen area for your coach, you've got your microwave right up top here. A really cool feature with this fridge, it does open from both ways. So that way if you're in the front of the coach or in the rear. I like to point out all the storage areas we have inside this coach again. I've never seen so much cabinetry when it comes to it. I mean, there's drawers everywhere to go around with this coach. Now, when it comes to the most important feature on this brand new 24A Sanctuary is the 2 twin bed setup that makes into a king of 75 by 70. This is the first of the market of its kind. It's very popular in the Ram models or the Fords. So implementing it now on Mercedes, we're very excited to get it going. Still here in the back too, we've got the Encompass shades. Like I said, they're much easier to maneuver in model year 2025. And then these screens that open up from the inside to offer cross ventilation for your customer. Also in the rear of this coach, we have our second TV that you can use when hanging out at your campsite or while boondocking with friends and family. Here on the passenger side of the coach, some features I'd like to point out is the off-road tires we're speccing this coach with. We also have the Carefree awning up top. Near the back of the coach, we're gonna have a cable TV hookup and also the 110 outlets. Moving over to the rear of the coach, some features I'd like to point out is the cabinetry and just for storing capabilities in a Class B. You've got some nice pull-out trays right over here. You've also got some wardrobe that you can put up top here. Some other cool features to point out when it comes to this coach, you've got more 110 outlets over here. You've got a 12-volt plug-in for those that need like a CPAP machine, water and light switch, spray pump, which is right over down here, and then your 30-amp Shoreline plug-in cord is stored underneath for more storage capabilities as well. Moving over to this side, you've got your medicine cabinet, sink and everything. One cool feature to point out with this 24A is a true black tank, gray tank coach. I know a lot of people today in the B-van world are familiar with cassette toilets, but one thing to point out with this one is we do have the true black tank on board. Moving along to the driver's side of the coach, some features to point out. I want to first focus on the roof. We've got the 11,000 BTU Coleman Mac AC that'll run off of our lithium system. We've also got the WineGuard Connect 2.0. The WineGuard Connect 2.0 will work through Verizon, T-Mobile, or AT&T. It's basically your separate data hotspot plan to use while on the road. Some features in the rear of the coach, you've got your LED lighting that will work off our FireFly system. We've got our Aqua Hot diesel system that runs off the main fuel tank. One cool feature when it comes to our model year 25 coaches is there's no LP tank on board this coach at all anymore. Anything that's gonna work inside the coach is gonna run from the main diesel system. And then you've got your black Santa Flush tank just to clear out your tanks and things like that. We also have the additional solar port adapter. So the roof comes standard with the 200-watt solar panel. You have an additional solar port adapter here to plug in when dry camping and things like that. You've got the cable TV hookup, and then just your 30-amp Shoreline power cord plug-in is right here located on the van as well. One more feature I'd like to point out is the light bar fixture we have on the top of the roof. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. For more information, check out generalrv.com.